Hey friends, if you wish to change your Gmail password, then please watch this video. Interestingly, the option to change your Gmail password is not in Gmail itself. So you have to go to this website myaccount.google.com or just go to accounts.google.com, accounts.google.com and make sure that you're logged in with the same ID. Okay, so on the list on the left hand side, go to security. Now scroll down and then you'll get this option for password. Click on this. Okay, now you can change the new password. For that, you will have to type a new password and make sure that it matches here. And then you can click on change password. Okay, and then you have to click on this confirmation option to change password once again. And it will mention the devices on which you will stay logged in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.